Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make croissants without egg and yeast. We'll start by gathering just a few basic ingredients. You'll need all-purpose flour, cold butter, ice water, a pinch of salt, and a touch of sugar. This easy method focuses on creating those signature flaky layers through careful folding and chilling, rather than relying on yeast for rise. Get ready to bake some truly delightful pastries. Now, let's prepare our dough. First, mix your dry ingredients. Then, incorporate the very cold butter, ensuring it remains in small chunks. Slowly add ice water until a cohesive, but not sticky, dough forms. The key to our egg-free, yeast-free croissants is the lamination process. We'll perform 3 turns or folds, chilling the dough for 30 minutes between each turn to develop those beautiful, distinct layers. Once your dough is perfectly laminated, it's time to shape our croissants. Roll the dough into a rectangle, approximately 1/8 of an inch thick. Cut it into triangles, each about 8 inches long and 4 inches wide at the base. Gently roll each triangle from the wide end towards the point, forming the classic crescent shape. Bake them for about 20 to 25 minutes until golden brown and wonderfully crisp. And there, you have it, delicious, flaky croissants made without any eggs or yeast. The aroma filling your kitchen will be absolutely irresistible. Enjoy them warm, perhaps with a dollop of your favorite jam or a spread of rich butter. This easy method proves that you don't need complex ingredients to create a truly satisfying and impressive pastry. Happy baking, and enjoy every single bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.